Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this like speed effect on CapCut PC. So it's actually super simple. You're just going to go to like the beginning. Well, actually no, you're going to go to speed first, and then you're going to make the speed to 0.5x speed. And you can also add in smooth slow-mo now, but I like to add it later on. So I'm going to go to the part, like the beginning part of the video, like here, split it, select the first clip, and make the speed to like the highest setting. And then you're going to split it, and then again go to the beginning part of the video, like here, split it and have the speed to the highest setting, and then again here I'm going to split it and then split it and then have the speed to the highest one, and then I'm going to do that again here. So split it and have it to the highest speed. I'm just going to stop the video here. I might go back and adjust the speed again a little bit. So where is it? On this part, I'm going to split it here and then do that. Okay, once you're done, you're going to go to the second videos, like here, and then you're going to add in smooth slow motion and choose optical flow for all of the slow motion that you just added, like without the fast motions. As you can see, this one's like the fast motion bit and this one's the slow-mo bit. So just add it to the slow-mo bits. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!